drawn it in, struck it nicely, but he's pushed it, the ball is still live, now it is dead. The final whistle goes at Principality. Unsuccessful last second penalty for Tom Evans, and Mynydd Mawr and Dynevor means that Bridgend Schools are crowned the Dewar Shield champions 2023. Gareth Wyatt, deservedly so.
Yeah, based on the second half, I think they just about come out on top for me. Disappointed for Mynydd Mawr. They've had a fantastic season as well, and it was a one-point game. I'm very unlucky at the end there.
We'll have a look at the score. That really was the difference. Great rip from player of the match Sam Watkins, and Owain Everton. Later he was yellow carded. He needed to sit down after this one, Gareth.
Yeah, I said at the time, as a winger, an outside back, dream of going 80 metres at the Principality Stadium, and he's done it in the Dewar Shield final. Sam Watkins, overall superb performance to rip the ball, and the composure to time the pass at the right time as well.
There's the final score. Bridgend Schools 19, Mynydd Mawr and Dynevor Schools 18. They have yet to be victorious in the final, Mynydd Mawr and Dynevor. Down we go to Heledd, who's got the player of the match, Sam Watkins.
Sam Watkins, congratulations, you are the player of the match. You can put that around your neck. How are you feeling? How was that game out there for you today?
I'm ecstatic. I'm overwhelmed, to be honest. Massive competition, and it's just a pleasure to play here and win with these boys. Great game, and I'm just over the moon.
And how does it feel to say that you've scored not one but 2 tries here at the Principality?
Oh, it feels great, to be honest. I'm just overwhelmed by the whole situation, to be honest. It hasn't hit me properly yet. I'm just so happy.
Have you ever played here before?
No, it's my first time. It's a great experience.
And who have you got here supporting you today?
My whole family, my school, and my friends, everyone.
And what does this mean to Bridgend District School to get this win as well? Because that was a dramatic ending. What was going through your mind at the end of the game?
It's nerve-wracking, very nerve-wracking, but the boys pulled through. Very proud of the whole team, and exceptional.
Well, congratulations. I'll let you go join your team for the celebrations. Da iawn, llongyfarchiadau.
Thank you.
Well, not only does he play well, he also talks well. Seems very grown up there, does he? For a 15, 16-year-old. He does play cricket for Wales as well. He can do a bit of everything, but exceptional performance from the hooker.
Yeah, his whole performance was very mature. You can see the way he was speaking there. And it was another great experience today, being in front of the camera, being interviewed.
Waiting for the presentation. Who's going to carry the Dewar Shield? That's what I want to know. The time together to develop, to grow, literally, because that's the age that these guys are now, so because of the change in the rules and making it an under 16 rather than under 15, you've had a long journey together. Great if you win at the end, but if this is the last time you play together, it's also a little bit disappointing if you lose.
Yeah, and it's something they'll remember forever. Some of these players will go on and represent their country. I'm sure after Christmas they'll be going head to head with the Ospreys and Scarlet 16s at some point, so there's plenty of rugby to look forward to. But today Mynydd Mawr, they'll be hugely disappointed, but can be proud of their efforts throughout the season, and Bridgend, as you can see, full of smiles and deservedly so. Just gives it that extra bit of meaning as well to be able to do it at the Principality Stadium.
There we have it. Dewar Shield final winners are Bridgend Schools by a point against Mynydd Mawr and Dynevor. It finished 19 points to 18.